Hi, welcome to Scoreboard again. Today we'll be covering our special concept. We call it safety zone. This is part of our intermediate Scoreboard ATM course. In our earlier video that we covered optimization, we mentioned that in these intermediate courses there will be three key objectives. One of the area is talking about optimization. Second area is this concept called safety zone, and in this video I'll be covering it in further detail. So this is the area that we will be working on in this video. Now if you can turn on your MT4 trading chart, you will be noticing that most of the time the prices are considered as ranging in the range of probably 200 to 300 pips. And for example, in this circuit area, these are what we call a ranging price actions. However, there will be occasional breakout price actions. Now this could be triggered by economic data, by release of news that surprise the analyst or the expectation of everybody. So you'll see a sudden spike. It can be going up or down. Now such price action, frankly, it is very unfavorable to outstanding order if you are on the wrong direction. So it is always a challenge of trader how to predetermine what is considered as breakout. Of course, there are some who love to ride on the breakout in order to enjoy extra the profit of a sharp increase of pips. But on the other hand, if you have a ranging strategy like what our ATM has, it is very important for us to pre-identify what is considered as breakout. So that gives rise to this concept of safety zone trading. If I were to turn on the safety zone trading indicator, and this is how you would see on a platform. Let's go to our Scoreboard website. You can actually download it from our indicator list, and this is where it is, a name called safety. You can click a download. If you remember, save it under the expert folder, look for indicator. Once it is in the indicator, you will be able to pull out from the indicator list, and it is stored under custom indicator. So once you are okay with it, you will have a chart that looks like this. Now while it looks very colorful, this is how the safety trading zone concept works. Now all the price, we will predetermine a range that is comfortable for trading, and we code it as green zone, just like the traffic light. And right outside the green zone, we will calculate the price action that we consider as cautious zone, and we code it with yellow. And further up of the yellow zone, it is the red zone. Exactly just like the traffic light, when you see red, you know what to do. Now this is the current price that is happening today, and if you see the price action moving out of the comfort zone, which is the green zone, it is then considered non-ranging. So our safety zone concept is formulated based on the price action, and we determine the green zone where it is considered as the ranging price action, and we also identify the yellow zone where it is considered as cautious price range, which is a very narrow upper and lower range, and followed by the red zone. Now red zone is designed, that is meant for those strategy trader that prefers lower risk, and at this red zone it is signaling a possible breakout, and therefore it can be used as a cutoff point. So just to recap, green zone means all go for all our strategies in our ATM. there is no hold bar as long as the price trades within the green zone. Once the price breach into the yellow zone, it's considered as cautious, or we call it freeze. I will explain later what I mean by freeze. And of course, the outer zone, red, is considered as cutoff. For green zone, the strategies will follow all original factors, the point of entries, the take profit, the risk management, money management, and all other elements in the strategy factors will be of its original performance. Now when the price breach into the yellow zone, now I divide the yellow zone into the upper and lower. In the upper yellow zone, it will freeze all new buy position. Just look at the price action again. If let's say this price now move out to this upper yellow zone, now of course the tendency of going back into the green zone is higher. Therefore, if the price at the yellow zone trigger a buy signal because of MACD, that signal will be ignored, meaning that there will not be any buy signal triggered when it is at yellow. However, the system will allow a sell signal of a lower lot size. Same thing, because this is a cautious area, it can be also moved further up into a breakout zone. So therefore, this is the zone where all your orders are being cautiously treated. Now if the price breach the lower yellow zone, it will then freeze sell position, taking into consideration that the price may have a tendency of going back up, therefore limiting the exposure of price going downward. On the other hand, there could be also a potential price breakout where it plunges below. So therefore, it will allow only one buy position, a limited buy position. And for red zone, as I mentioned, it is designed for the low risk profile traders. This is the zone where all outstanding orders are to be force closed. Now of course, one trader may be very concerned. If that's the case, then there will be a lot of loss cutting. However, take note, if we were to run this strategy into your ATM, you will notice that the red zone is being breached only about once or twice in a year based on the previous live data. And this is how the safety strategy look like. And of course, if you have already downloaded, this is how it will look like. Let's say I pull up, and the portion of this indicator is right at the back there, where you see safety yellow freeze and red close. Now take note that this is where you can independently set it true or false, or true or false. Okay. So you can on it or off it according to your respective risk profile. And this magic number 2 is designed for a comfortable trading zone that is designed for 1 hour trading. Now always remember, due to the cautious nature of this particular strategy, it's called safety zone, it has a bias towards lowering your risk exposure. Therefore, if you turn this safety zone measure on, you can expect that your number of trades and your profit will be compromised. I'm going to extract 3 results based on 3 very different settings, right? And this result is run on account that starts with capital of 10,000 US dollar, and it starts from January 2008 until current May 2009. So the 3 results are based on A, totally no safety zone, B, turn on only the yellow freezing zone, and C,